Hey everyone, it's Aloysius for CanBuyNot.com, and today we're taking a look at the Sonogram? Telegram? No, it's the LGgram. The new LGgram is a refresh of last year's model, now with 12th Gen Intel chip and Intel Iris Xe graphics. There's also a model with NVIDIA discrete graphics, which is new, but that's unavailable here in Singapore. Now, that sucks because I can't help but think how great ultra portable with discrete graphics would be. Anyway, you'd think that this is a pretty standard ultra portable, but LG has added some software tricks to make it unique. That's in the form of the new LG Glance, which uses the webcam to detect and track the user. There are also a few basic features such as dimming your screen or turning on the screensaver when you're away. It's also smart enough to pause a video you are watching. Another cool feature is blurring your external monitor for when you're not looking at it for privacy. If there's someone behind you peeking at your monitor, you will get an alert. The next feature is actually pretty cool. You can use your eyes to move windows to another screen. Just click on a window and look to the screen. You can also use head movements to move your mouse between displays. Lastly, this one could be important for those who have a lot of meetings. If the webcam detects that you are talking, but you are muted, it will... Next, let's talk about what I like about the LG Gram. The 16-inch laptop features a magnesium alloy chassis with a nice matte texture. It weighs just 1.2 kg or 1,200 grams. But calling it the LG 1,200 grams isn't as cool as just saying the gram, of course. There are two Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI, headphone jack, and two USB-A. There's also a microSD card slot. The keyboard is great with good tactile response and key travel, but the spacebar could be longer. The large touchpad is also pretty sweet. Inside this 16-inch Gram is the latest 12th Gen Intel Core i7 CPU with Wi-Fi 6E support. That means it works with newer Wi-Fi 6E routers that use the 6 GHz band. The PCIe 4.0 SSD inside is fast, with read speeds of around 6,800 MB per second. The beautiful IPS display features a WQXGA resolution, which is 2560 by 1600 pixels. It's not a touchscreen, so don't go poking around this pretty display. I like the thin bezels, the matte anti-reflective display. Color accuracy is also pretty good. Now, if you're wondering if you can game with this, the bad news is that you can, but only for games such as Hades, and at a much lower resolution. The bottom feels warm when it's running more demanding applications, but that's expected. Remember, it's just a thin layer of metal covering the insides of this laptop. The Gram's battery life is also impressive, with a runtime of 10.5 hours in our video loop test at maximum brightness. To conclude, the LG Gram may feel like a standard Ultrabook, but the LG Glance features make it stand out. I do wish that LG is also selling the version with discrete graphics here, but the base model is good enough for light creative work, office work, and some games such as Hades or Dota 2. It will retail for, take a guess. And that's our complete review for the LG Gram. We definitely appreciate you making it this far. Thanks for watching. Bye!